If you're looking for a simple life, then folk life is where you want to be. Folk life is really a combination of soft pastel colors that come together and that are strongly influenced by that trending boho feeling. And the colors all come together and we bring it all together with a mixture of animals, containers, and everything that just pulls all the color together. But I think it's the botanicals here that really makes the difference. The dried influence you'll see is a very popular trend right now, and that influence can be seen so evidently here in folk life. We brought in some new hanging amaranthus and some beautiful shades of sort of a light yellow cream color to some peach, almost to a little bit of a green color. A stilby, which is a wonderful garden blossom here in those simple soft colors again. Some hydrangeas that add a little deeper value of purples, but with that dried feeling that gives you that pop of depth when you're bringing in all of these soft colors. And then all of our naturally dried bouquets. This is really real dried flowers in here. Wrapped with burlap and creating a beautiful little bouquet that could just be laid on a table or used anywhere in anyone's home. And then some of these bundles of just these wild flowers and some of the rose hips and poppy pods here just bring this all together. And this dahlia too, in 4 beautiful shades that are home decor colors. And let's not forget the wreath. We've brought in 3 new wreaths that are dried materials. Beautiful, that accent anything that you want in your folk life setting. Angels you'll also find that are abundant in this look because they're that simple life. They're that resting point that we're all searching for. These beautiful sculpts, some with birds, some just sleeping, and rabbits. And I believe there's a movie coming out soon with Peter Rabbit, and when I saw these new sculpts that we have here, they just reminded me of the character from the Peter Rabbit movie, and they're beautiful. I really enjoy the smaller sculpts here with the mother and her child. But beautiful, beautiful animals. As you continue on, animals tell a story in their own. Animals, who doesn't like an animal? The animals you'll see here between ducks and geese, and you'll see them in a traditional format or maybe even a contemporary look. As here you'll see some birds and some rabbits. They are contemporary sculpts that have an engraved or embossed, or actually it's an engraved pattern on there, and then it's painted, giving it some additional depth. There's some matching containers that go along with them. Over here you'll see some more of our contemporary little friends, the rabbits. Now these have a shiny finish, but they have a decal on them, along with the owl and a cat over there. If you want something for your folk life area that you need to light up, then let's light it up with some of our new globes that light up and maybe putting a Fia flame inside of one of our cylinders. They have a beautiful soft pastel pattern of flowers painted on there with a couple little lovebirds. And a few little animated owls up here in these soft colors. They're whimsical, but they're perfect for this look. If you're looking for some new wall art, why don't we try a couple pictures that feature some of the country homes with the country flowers and the meadows in the foreground. Or perhaps you'd like a birdhouse or two. These new birdhouse and they're metal painted enamel and bright colors to coordinate with this whole look. As we continue through folk life, we'll see some other animals that adorn the area. How about these butterflies? I really like these. These sculpts are whitewash finish on there, and it's just beautiful detail. They do stand up, and I did lay them down on the table. They don't look so bad with 1 or 2 laying down too, but the butterflies are very interesting and very contemporary format here. Some more of our angels that will continue through this, and containers. You'll find so many new containers in whitewash, some that have matte finishes, some that have a little bit brighter or shinier finish, and glassware. The 2 of our new glass vases here in this beautiful rose color, bringing all of these pastel shades together from our green containers to our rose-colored glass. Folk life, It's a simple way of life.